For as long as dishwashers have been around, people have been arguing over the right way to load them. We're going to settle those disputes once and for all by showing you the best method for most machines. Proper loading is important, but you also want to choose a great detergent. And keep that rinse-aid dispenser filled for fast, streak-free cleaning.
Tips on how to get the most out of your dishwasher and make sure that they come out clean every time. So on the bottom layer, this is where you want to keep your more heavy-duty cleaning. Also make sure that you clean everything well, because if the food particles stay on there for a long period of time, it can be harder for them to for the machine to clean it properly. So you want to make it easier for the machine. You don't have to rinse it, you just scrape off as much food as you can. This is where you'd also put your pots and pans. The jet on the bottom is a lot stronger than the one on top, so it's more for heavy duty. And the top is more for the delicate things. Your glassware, that kind of thing. You put your plastic on the top here. If you have the plastic on the bottom, it's too close to the heating element and it can melt it. If you have a cutlery drawer, this is great. It cleans them really well. If you have a basket, you need to be careful about how you put your utensils in the dishwasher. If you have them all close together, sitting in the basket like so, it can clump together and won't clean efficiently. So just mix it up a bit. Have some up and some down, so at least it can wash more effectively. You should follow your manufacturer's instructions or recommendations on detergent. You could use the gel, tab, or powder, and some manufacturers will recommend a particular type. This little compartment here is for rinse-aid. Several people I've spoken to have never heard of the rinse-aid before for dishwashers. It's a liquid that comes out in the final rinse, and what it actually does, it helps to dry the dishes better. You may notice when you open up your dishwasher, there's still a lot of residual water on your plastic. It'll dry that off for you. So there's a few tips on getting the most out of your dishwasher.